Guys, we got the Milwaukee M18 fuel, full charge M18 battery. Just gonna do a short demo here. I'll put all the details in the description. We're just gonna blow this off real quick. I'll sweep them up. So M18 fuel, M18. It's got slow, it's got fast. Slow. Fast is what it was on. Got the back right here. Pull that, take your battery off. 600 CFM. I'll put all the details in the description. If you like it, hit the like button, subscribe. See you on the next one.